loggers. Oh my God, we're straight up and down. Look here, boys. Fucking log right there. Let me start putting my seatbelt on. Boom. That's the way we roll down here, boys and girls. You can take that shit to the bank. Swear to God, boy, a couple get down here at night time, some bears playing tag, boy, it's all fun. Till somebody jumps a damn deer, about kills your ass. Look at that big rub. Son of a buck, boy. Killed a big 10 here last year before. Man, all these logs wasn't here. See that one I rolled up there? See, I'm gonna have to get them on a fire pot. Holy shit. Whoosh.